Don't miss this 2008 Ford Super Duty F250 SRW. It's equipped with transmission and features Oxford white exterior. With 108,894 miles, you'll want to take this car home. Make a great choice today. Contact us and see this car firsthand.